Also, so good day. So for the project setup of this project is we're using Nuxt for this one. So Nuxt is a framework of Vue. So we all know that Vue has a single page application. So meaning, as you can see right here, as I navigate through to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page. So what changed right here is actually my accomplishment so far on this project is today is I did the research since once all the pull requests that I did was merged into the production actually failed or it loads too much that causes the website to crash. Which is, as you can see here, it's actually already been fixed. Not really quite fixed, but the this is the actual branch that I did. So actually, it is still broken right now. So it's a good thing that it's actually working. It's not the loading problem is already been resolved. So what I will do right now is I'm going to apply the changes by requested by our team member, which is to this one will be changed into in and then this title right here, and then when in Korean it's going to be still the same. So as you can see here, this is the site or the production link. Okay, so the error was actually from the image, so I'm going to fix that one. So what I will be doing is right here. So I'm just going to change the image right here, and then I'm going to resolve the issue on this image, which is not actually being displayed right now. So I'm going to change that one, and then if it has any errors, then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment out this one, and then because this one is using the Pinya since the last plugin that I or dependency that I installed. That's my speculation of why the site load too much. So I'm going to fix that one. And then right after that is the concern of one of our members, which is when it translated to Korean, the languages right here should not be translated, so it will still be in English. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then for right here, which is the project setup of this project is we are using for the front end we are using Vue. So I already explained the Vue. That's the purpose of Vue, and then for the back end is we are using Laravel for that. Here on this project is just only front end, so it doesn't require back end. So this one needs a back end, so we use Laravel for that. And for database is we use MySQL for that. So what I'm doing right now on this project is actually more on tracing, since the problem right here is, as you can see, the problem was whenever we add on student status dashboard is not actually displaying accurate data. So let's say, for example, we have here a April 2025. So as you can see right here, this is the range, so 1 and then the end date of the month, but it's not showing accurately the data. I'm just going to show you in my Postman since I'm more on tracking right now. So this is an error, so I'm just going to tweak the thing that I did. So first of all, I'm just going to comment this one. Then I'm going to find this. This was the last query for the logs. So we should be able to see different results. So as you can see right here. So this one right here, as you can see. So let's say, for example, I'm going to return this one. Return at logs query. Then latest. Let's see if this is correct. There must be string. Then get. So as you can see, so right now we have data with the user ID 1536, and this is currently a log from the April 5. So as you can see right here, April 5. But the problem is, since we have this one, So if I commented this out, and then I'm just going to have to return a request, just to show you or to verify. We have request right here, which is April 5/1 to April 5/30. So I'm just gonna send this. So what we have right now is our request. So this one is the range. We have 0501 0530. So meaning it should be able to go in right here on our where between, meaning this should have, as you can see right here, this represents the first day of the query or the created at, and then the last day of the query. So meaning this one right here should have the data, but the problem is, I'm just going to comment this one to get the actual data. So as you can see right here, it doesn't actually show the data for new, especially for the new categories. But if I do this, which is just getting the latest data that we have actually data for that. So the problem is this one is not actually filtering quietly or not filtering right. So this is the one that I'm working with. So let me just show you the ticket that I have, which is right here. So this is the I'm trying to solve, which is the new card. Once I'm able to solve this one, especially this filter on the date, I think the others will be more easy to resolve. So that is all for my accomplishment today, sir. Thank you.